Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Monopolistic competition. The theory of monopolistic competition is developed by Chamberlain. Monopolistic competition is a market situation when there are many producers but each offers a slightly differentiated product. Monopolistic market is dominated by a few, so firms can influence price determination. So under monopolistic competition market, firm can be considered as price maker. They are not takers, givers or acceptors of price. Characteristics of monopolistic competition. Entry and exit. The firms has total freedom to enter or exit the industry. No limitation are imposed on them. Large number of buyers and sellers. There are large number of firms. The sellers are more than that of oligopoly but less than that of perfect competition market. Profit motive. Firm earns a surplus profit due to selling price and product differentiation. Firms earn profit through price discrimination. Nature of product. Product of each seller differ from each other. Equilibrium of firm under monopolistic competition and oligopoly. The individual firm under monopolistic competition and oligopoly face a downward sloping average revenue curve and the marginal revenue is always less than the average revenue. The products of the different firms in the groups are not perfectly substitute of another. They differ in quality, trade name, brand reputation or just location. A firm wishing to increase its sales must either reduce the price or shift the demand curve by some form of sales initiative like advertisement, special service or even bribery or coercion. If shifting the demand curve or increasing consumers' preference for the product is not practicable, price reduction is the ultimate recourse. Under monopolistic competition, the price firm earn normal profits in the long run because LAR is equal to LAC as there is excess capacity with them. Marginal cost and marginal revenue. Reduction of price reduces the marginal revenue. However, as long as the marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost, it is profitable to expand production. The total revenue is maximum at the level of output where the marginal revenue is equal to the marginal cost. At this point, there is no difference between a firm under monopolistic competition and firms under any kind of imperfect competition or under perfect competition, as every firm tries to maximize its net revenue. Selling expenses. In monopolistic competition and oligopoly, price reduction is not the only method of increasing sales. Advertisement, propaganda and salesmanship play an important part and forms a substantial part of the total expenditure of the firm. Under monopolistic competition, firm seeks to maximize the net revenue, that is price into output minus production cost and selling cost. The firm will extend its selling expenditure up to the point at which the marginal revenue from the sales expenditure is equal to the marginal increment of such expenditure. Taking production cost and sales cost together, the marginal cost must also be equal to marginal revenue. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.